Yep.
Okay. Da-da-la-la-la. Oh. Thanks, guys. Okay, that's just a start. This is kind of like a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, get well, sis, I love you. Most of all, you know, going to Florida, I'm going to miss the crap out of you. You got to stop your laughing. Can't laugh. Remember?
She's gonna hurt herself.
Being silly. Look what Mama got. What is that? What is that? Ice cream. Okay. That's your favorite, isn't it? Uh-huh. Okay, you ready for this? No. Okay. What? You guys.
I hear her sobbing in the voice right now.
Gosh. What? That's it. That's it. Yep. So now you got another present to open. Okay, you open it. If something jumps out against you.
No.
You might not want her to do that.
Exactly.
Open the paper?
Not the whole thing.
It might scare you.
Why don't
It
you
might jump out at you.
give the box to Mom?
Give it to Mama. What a big helper.
Mama, what is it?
I don't know. I should have known. Don't cry. I'm gonna miss you. I love you. Always be my sis. Now you'll have something to remember me by when I'm gone. You're welcome. There's two there. It's like the best friends. You get half, I get half. But this is sisters. Sisters need.
What is this?
All right.
Mama can scratch it for